Good morning. That's getting to be a familiar sight, that gym.
7 days a week for a month now.
Yeah, today is a very exciting day. Super excited. So exciting that it felt like Christmas last night and I couldn't sleep. So Tyler's last chemotherapy treatment is today. So we got our workout in and we are headed down to the city to send him off and watch him ring that bell. So.
Oh, check this out. I'm going to turn over here and talk quietly while she has the camera way over there.
Okay.
Yep, it's a pretty exciting day.
What if you whisper?
I'll whisper over here.
Does that sound
Dorky.
weird? I don't know. We're running tests because, you guys, I've got some upgraded equipment. If you notice, I'm wearing a mic, and Dave is wearing a mic, and
Something many people have been asking for years, but we're like, whatever.
because I'm a loud talker, as
I'm
all
not.
you know, he's quiet. So I think I probably need to turn down my mic. It's probably too loud, and his is probably just right. So anyway, there'll be a learning curve, but we just got a DJI action camera. So it's the Osmo 5. And
That sounds pretty intense.
coupled with that, I got the wireless mics. So these mics are just Bluetooth. So once you connect them the first time, all you have to do is just pull them out of their little case and they reconnect. There's no wiring, there's no nothing. So it's a pretty good setup for someone like me who doesn't like to fuss with all that. Like the whole point of not having the mic is that I kind of felt like we would lose the spontaneity of our filming. Like I just like to film without having to plug something in or... So this would be easy. Like on film days, we just, clip the mics on. And honestly, I tested out last night the mic on this camera and it's pretty legit by itself. Like we could use that often. But, while we're driving, sometimes we talk and it's bad because you can't hear Dave at all. And I'm usually shouting.
I'm cool with that, though.
No. So this will be great. Anyway, very exciting day. New equipment. Tyler's
for
last
you,
chemo
Pistol.
appointment. Listen, I should hook a mic up to her sometime.
No, we don't need to listen to her.
We'll just hear her pant and yawn and smack.
Yeah, so Tyler's last appointment. It's been a long 6 months of chemo. Longer for him than us, I'm sure. But as a parent, it's been pretty challenging. And to have, hopefully, the end of the treatment. Today is the final chemo treatment, and then they will wait 4 to 6 weeks and do complete scans and see if all's well, all clear, we can celebrate.
Yes.
But today's a mini celebration because it's very odd. There's a very good chance that we're done after today.
Yep.
And Tyler can be done with this, the side effects, all the stuff he's been going through this chemo for 6 months. It's been pretty rough.
He'll have a few weeks left of that as this last round goes through. And then hopefully he'll just start getting incrementally better. So
when we go to his chemo appointments, which have been every 2 weeks for 6 months, in the infusion center, there's a lot of people getting their chemo, and they only allow one. I'm trying to talk loud because the camera's over there, but here I am. I'm just going to whisper over here. They only allow one person at a time, so we kind of take turns to visit Tyler, and then they pump him full of a ton of Benadryl at one point of the treatment, so then he just kind of is out of it. But for today is the final treatment, and when people have their final treatment, they have a bell that they ring, and so everyone that's been involved, bringing them and hanging out, we're trying to get as many of us there today as possible, and they're going to let everyone in. So I think there's probably going to be 5 or 6 of us.
just at the very end to ring the bell.
5 or 6 family members and close friends that can be there when he rings the bell. And we're going to film that because Tyler wanted it filmed. And so anyway.
It's a big moment for all of us. And honestly, all of you. You guys have been along with us every step of the way. So I think it's important to share that with you too.
And so many of you have participated in your own way, and we appreciate that very much.
So much, yeah. It made this journey that much easier to share, the burden with other people. So let's head down to the city and watch him ring that bell.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay, we're going in.
It's gonna be the last time they come to this hospital.
I'm so nervous.
I don't know
for
why.
some
I am
reason.
too. It's like weird.
And we left Pistol behind, but she was definitely feeding off our energy. She's like a nervous wreck too. We'll have to bring her around once he comes out so she can say hi to him. But all right, here we go.
You guys rock. Thank you so much.
Seriously,
Thank you for everything.
You guys make
Yes,
it.
you had so many great things to say about all you so many times. It's just been amazing.
Oh, our pleasure.
You guys make a place that no one wants to come to a really nice experience. So
Thank you. That means a lot.
I
Thank
appreciate it.
It has been our pleasure.
All of you, thank you so much.
Good job. Good job.
Thanks everyone.
You're welcome.
Are you gonna ring the bell?
I'm about to. All right. Here we go.
Good job.
Thank you. Thanks. Goodbye. Goodbye.
It's done. He's finally done. This has just been a lot, like a big anticipated moment, and it finally came. And
It's weird because it seems like it just flew by, but I mean it's 6 months of chemo. I mean, you think back to when it first started, it was hot summertime. Now it's 41 degrees and raining and miserable out.
yeah,
But we're not complaining.
we're not complaining.
We're not complaining.
We're exactly where we need to be.
I'm not complaining one pint. Pistol does not like it. Pistols have no hair.
She does
She
not
shivers.
like it.
She's got to go out and go potty at night.
She's got lots of coats.
She
and
hates it. She wants to go down to Florida and lay in the sun.
She will soon. So we have to wait about another month, just over a month, to get the results. He'll get a scan at that time, and we'll get the final results. But we're confident that he's going to be all clear. So we're just doing the wait and see thing. And yeah, so next weekend.
Well, we're going back to let's see, what we leave Wednesday or Thursday. Sometime this week we're heading to the coast because Pistol has a vet appointment.
Yeah.
She's missing her Florida appointment, so
Yeah,
we need to go
so
do
we
some
scheduled that
things
for
with the old
here.
girl.
Yeah, keep up on some stuff, and
And then you're going to go see a concert with your mom.
going to Air Supply.
I am not.
You are not.
I'm not going to go see that show.
No.
Nothing against it, it's just not my jam.
Yeah.
But maybe if it's not too terrible out, I'll maybe go fishing or something.
Yeah, so we don't know what's, beyond that, what's going on. We just got to wait another month or so and see what's happening. So
Another month of get up, have coffee, go to the gym, work out, get a massage in the chair,
yeah,
come back, eat.
nap. All right. I do want to thank each and every one of you that have, encouraged us and supported us through
Private messages, through
and
social media
supported Tyler
posts,
through this,
YouTube posts.
contributed to the GoFundMe.
It's been phenomenal.
Like, just a huge thank you. And of course, we will keep you updated on what's going on that front. But we can all collectively give a sigh of relief that the chemotherapy is behind him now.
That he managed through that. He did so well. I mean, it was grueling.
Yep.
The stuff they just hammer on, the side effects. I mean, but he
plowed through.
plowed through.
Still got a couple weeks as the meds, this last treatment does its thing and whatnot. So, But yeah, he's been really had a positive outlook, which has helped tremendously.
He's excited to, you know, have this reset and take charge of his health and like start fresh.
Yeah.
With the, you know,
get better.
Yeah,
and
get back in the gym.
There'll be some side effects that are lingering, you know, that will just eventually, hopefully, disappear over time. And
I wouldn't want to wish that on anybody, but I would have loved to have taken it from him. But I'm just proud of him. You know, it doesn't matter if your kid's 3, 7, or in this case 37. You just still, as a parent, you just want to fix it and you can't. And so then you just want to like give it to me instead, and you can't. So you just have to like trust that they're going to handle it. And I was just, you know, it's weird to say I was proud of him, but I mean, he just really handled it. You know, he maintained such. There was, you know, bad times obviously, but he was so positive, and you know the outreach from all around, from you and others, I think was a huge thing. So
really boosted everyone up. So thank you. We'll keep you posted on what's going on, and we'll just see you down the road. Carry on.
Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.